Everything begins with just 2 photos. Artificial intelligence recreates an accurate 3D model of your body. No scanners, no complex equipment. Just your smartphone and your precise digital avatar. Based on this data, a personalized back care topology is generated, printed to match the exact shape of your body. The result is an optimized geometry that perfectly corresponds to the user's anatomy. Adjustable trigger points let you fine-tune support exactly where you feel discomfort or tension. Simply slide the elements along the anatomical channels, and back care adapts to your needs. The structure is designed to follow the natural curves of the spine. Soft, yet supportive, dynamic, yet stable. The same large format 3D printing technology we use for furniture, interiors, and even 3D printed boats is now working for your health. It's a sensation you won't confuse with anything else, because back care is created to match the shape of your body. Zero compromises, maximum comfort.